Hello, my name is Wahyu Bagjasul Femi. I'm here representing the other two of my friends, Bapak Syarifuddin and Bapak Tony Heriadi as the research team, and I'm going to presenting our research entitled Use of the Way Modeling Method Assisted by Sample Board Media in Learning Indonesian Language. So the first one, let me explain you about the research background. The first one is the learning outcomes only obtain an average value of 53.64. There were only 3 students who completed it, or is it just 12.50%. The second point is the result of teacher observations by asking to see the motivation and interest of student found that there were only 5 students, or 20.83%, who were able to answer questions. And the next point is the learning methods and models used make student saturated. And the last one, the absence of interesting media in learning. So we are three here talking about the methodology of the research. The method used in this research is classroom action research, which means research with actions or interventions carried out in class. The subject of the study consisted of 22 students, 13 males and 9 female students of Kedung Halang 3 Elementary School, Bogor City. The data analysis by conducting activities of reviewing, grouping, systematizing, interpreting, and verifying data so that a phenomenon has social, academic, and scientific value. Furthermore, the data collected for each activity were analyzed descriptively using the percentage technique. Data collection was carried out by analyzing the written test result for each cycle. The pre-cycle questions are in the form of 5-minute choice questions and 5 questions entries. And then the research result, based on observations during the pre-cycle using the lecture method, the mean was 53.75. 3 students completed, or 12.50%. As a result of the teacher's observations, there were 5 students, or 20.83%, who had interest and motivation. Cycle 1, using the modeling method, the way obtained an average value of 72.71. 10 students completed, or 41.67%. The result of the observations obtained were 11 people, or 45.83%, who had interest and motivation. Cycle 2, using the method of modeling the way and board media, obtained an average value of 91.46. The result of teacher observations, as many as 22 people, or 91.67%, were able to be motivated in learning activities. So, based on the above explanations, we are coming for the conclusion that the use of modeling the way and sticky board media can increase the learning outcomes of Indonesian subjects. This can be seen with the learning outcomes in Cycle 2, reaching an average of 91.46. The increased interest and motivations of students can be seen from the result of teachers' observations, where in Cycle 2, there were 22 people, or 91.67%, who were able to answer questions given by the teacher in questions and answers. Flying expressions, creativity, forming personality of students who are responsible for helping students to learn independently and making the learning atmosphere fun. I think that our research result. Thank you for the attention.